Hello YouTube. This will be part 3 of the Incredible Holiday Light Show repair videos. And this is actually explaining how I fix the connection issue for the small tree. Or at least for the left tree. So basically, I have the spare board to demonstrate. So if you see here that there are 2 of these diodes here, there's supposed to be all 5 here on the trio version. All 5 are supposed to be used. The bottom one goes to the left tree. Now, the ports for the memory, these 2, for the memory, that tells what tree to do what, they get connected to all 3 of these. This one here holds the brains for Religious Melody and Jingle Bells. These 2, I don't know why, but they hold Carol the Bells and stuff like that. But this one right here is actually what tells it to go into Carol the Bells, Christmas Melody, and Deck the Halls. So I had a problem where one of these were broken. And what it would cause it to do is the tree would only work when it's a Religious Melody or Jingle Bells. If I solder it, it would work just fine for a little while and then stop working again. But I wanted to reuse the memory here for Religious Melody and Jingle Bells because, believe it or not, the trace here actually broke off, so I can no longer access the left tree memory for effects and all that, and then the Carol the Bells, Christmas Melody, and Deck the Halls. I can't access any of that. So here's what I did. Was I took the diode for the left tree, the memory, and I jumpered it over to the right tree memory. That's all I had to do. And what that allowed it to do was during Christmas Melody, Carol the Bells, and Deck the Halls, and all the other songs, it's going to be doing the exact same thing. These 2 are going to be doing the same thing. Normally they do, but there's occasion times where they're supposed to be doing something different. They're going to be doing the same thing because they're jumping together. But when it goes to Religious Melody and Jingle Bells, this is actually doing what it's supposed to. That is doing what it's supposed to. Here, I'll demonstrate real quick. Right here. I do have to still paint some of this. But you've already seen the tree being painted. You just haven't seen the control boards. So let's go ahead and get started. That has power. And this is a remote for it. We'll leave the light on. I'm just going to silence it a little bit. So most of the people would think that there's nothing wrong. Let's go over to Carol the Bells. This one here is supposed to be turning different colors than this when it gets to that part of the song. But this is all correct. It's just during that part of the song, it's supposed to be doing something different. It's not. However, let's go over to Religious Melody. Look at it. She's doing everything it's supposed to. And everything works on it. So there's no other repairs I have to do to it. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of silicone, take these apart, put a little bit of silicone on everything, and seal everything up, including on this big board right here. So I guess that'll do it for this video. This was a quick one showing I got it all repaired. I thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. And let me know what you think of my repair. Honestly, I think it'll definitely, I know not many people are going to really notice. However, it's kind of noticeable to me that the fact that everything's doing the same thing. It bothered me that those two songs especially, the two trees were doing the same thing, and I lost the memory for that tree. However, I got at least part of it back, which is I'm really thankful about. So it kind of made me nervous to work on this board from the beginning, because I got this tree in such great condition. So that'll do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. And I don't know how many more parts there'll be to this series. I know there's going to be one more, and that'll be putting it back together. There might be one more after that, but I'm not sure. So depending what I need to do.